Polydar, how about at Equinix? Tell us what it looks like over the next 2 or 3 years. What do you all have in the hopper there?
Right. I think the main thing we're going to be seeing is what I call as a democratization of AI. Increasingly, I think we have to take AI to the masses rather than, it won't scale otherwise. We won't be able to train enough people to understand the AI algorithms and how they operate. So I think this happens at various levels. So one is definitely at the data science or the subject matter expert. We have to make it easy for them to basically consume AI. The second area is the IT support folks. I think increasingly these AI, the training part of AI, training and inference, the training part of AI, the machines are like increasingly 30 kilowatt per rack or higher. Traditional data centers are built 10 to 15 kilowatts per rack. So we cannot expect the IT folks in various organizations to be able to support this next generation AI hardware. So increasingly, you will see these organizations outsourcing that to colos or other data center companies. Otherwise, it's very hard for the IT group to actually manage this kind of AI infrastructure. So I think democratization, the last one is basically the packaging of open source and pre-existing models and AI developer for hire, like in Kaggle in Google. So those are all the trends which are going to increasingly push people to reuse existing data, existing software, and even developers online. So those are three trends towards democratization of AI that I'm going to see in the next 2 to 3 years.